Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life. And I am here to practicing my spoken English. It's my ninth day. Tomorrow I told you, sorry, I made a mistake. Yesterday I told you about my life before class 12. Now I am gonna tell you about my life after 12th. Okay, I got good marks in class 12th, so I decided to appearing charter accountancy exam. And I did a lot of hard work, and when I I tried a lot, I studied a lot, but I failed. It's okay. I thought that it was my first time because one CA is one of the toughest exam of India. So it's okay to failed one time. Then I tried again. I again appeared in exam, and again I studied a lot. I did hard work, and again I failed. I failed twice. So after that I felt depressed. I am I was not feeling well at that time because I know how much I did hard work. And if you did hard work for something and you will not achieve it, so it's obvious you feel depressed, you feel lost. So this was also happened to me. At the time I lost myself, I felt depressed because I got failed. Not one, two times I got failed. So after that I am not unable to think what to do in future and what to do now. So I decided to quit my charter accountancy exam. And after quitting my exam, I didn't do anything. I was at my home, and I wasted my 1 year after quitting my charter accountancy exam by watching televisions, by watching movies, by watching Netflix, by watching reels, by watching YouTube videos, by watching YouTube movies, and I wasted my 1 year. And after 1 year, I realized I need to do some work, and I got an opportunity to work in a Honda showroom as a sales executive, and I grabbed it. I go for I went for interview, and in an interview there are many candidates who are also appearing in the interview, and they were graduate, they were in high post, they were graduate, they were study 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 lot than me, and I just 12th passed. So it's obvious I got nervous during the interview, and but I have confidence. I had confidence, and I have confidence. And whenever I speak in front of interviewer, my words was so clear, and my my words was so clear. My words was so clear. I had confidence at that time. I replied in a good manner, and they got select me. They selected me, and after I select, they send me to another senior person. He took my interview, and I also select this interview, that interview, and I also completed that interview, and I got selected. After that, they said me that I need to work for 3 days. Then they will decide. Uh, they took me or not, just because of my work performance. So I went for 3 days to work, and I learned in 3 days what the work is happening here. After that, they selected me, and after 1 month, I realized that this is not for me. This is not enough for me. I am not born to do this. But I realized I need to continue my study. But how? I got failed in C exam. Then I decided to take online classes. I search on Google English spoken classes nearby me. I search it on Google, and it showed me Rise Academy. And when I went to the Rise Academy, the teacher Ravel sir, who give my introduction, and I am not unable to say. My name is Sahaj Bhaskar. I am from Sector 22, Gurgaon, and today I have just completed my 12th. Now I am working in Honda showroom as a sales executive. I didn't even say this to the teacher. I am very nervous and confused at the same time. After that, I joined the academy, and after taking classes, this is my 9th day. I am here to speak about my life after 12th. So after 9th month, I am able to speak for 10 minutes. I know I did mistake. I know I need more. I need to learn more. But this is the confidence given by my sir that I am here to speak 10 minutes without preparation, without any notes, without any. I didn't do any preparation. I didn't make any notes. This is on the spot. Whatever comes in my mind, I speak. I am speaking. But I made mistake. I know. I will correct it, and in future you will see. Not today, not tomorrow, not after tomorrow. After 3 months, not after 6 months, not after 1 year. I will get accuracy in my English, and I will be fluent. This is my promise to me. In 1 year. 1 year enough to learn English. In 1 year, I will be perfect. I will speak like a fluent Englishman. I will be speak like a foreigner in 1 month. This is my promise to me. But how can I achieve this? Just learning daily and practice on a daily basis. If I do practice on a daily basis, then I will achieve it. So 9 minutes is also completed. Now 1 minute is left. So I wanna say that today it's my 9th day, and today I spoke in my Rise Academy about some words that occupational hazard. I speak about this topic for 4 to 5 minutes, and I spoke without any hesitation, without any mistake. I know I did mistake, but according to me, it was great. So 10 minutes completed. Now good night. I hope you are doing well in your life and keep smiling, keep happy, and remember me. I just want to tell you, I am here not to get views, I am here not to get subscribers, I am here just to practicing my spoken.